Hi, Lachlan here from My Generator, here to talk about the Dometic Freshjet 2200 rooftop air conditioner for recreational vehicles. This model is a small, lightweight and energy efficient unit that has become especially popular in smaller caravans or for pop tops. Looking at the distinctive technical features of the Freshjet 2200, you will see that it comes with an innovative soft start feature, which is ideal for situations such as running the aircon from a generator or where power current supply is restricted. This model actually uses a heat exchange system as opposed to a reverse cycle compressor and is consequently very effective when operating in cooler climates. The key physical specifications and performance attributes include 1.8 kilowatts of cooling and 1.2 kilowatts of heating capacity. Its lightweight and compact design means it only weighs 32 kilos. The air distribution box comes with 4 vents and is low profile to reduce taking up space inside your van. Overall, if you're looking for a rooftop aircon for your RV that's up to around 5 meters in length, then the Dometic Freshjet 2200 is a compelling option. It's very energy efficient, it's lightweight, and it's adaptable to operate in diverse conditions. Dometic provide a 3-year manufacturer's warranty on their air conditioner range and have a nationwide service agent network for warranty and spare parts support. Check out mygenerator.com.au for more information on the Freshjet 2200 from Dometic and our full range of caravan air conditioners.